2, 1.
I've wasted so much money on this junk! Hello everybody, this is Angry Steve here. I want to tell you about some of the things that make me angry. Things like traffic getting cut off, kids not listening, and especially recently, my network connection! Trying to watch a movie with the family and I get the loading buffer multiple times. It's ridiculous. I spend a bunch of money for a fast internet connection. And what do I get? Slow internet. Because of those wireless connections. It's a big house. These old routers and APs, they can't cover very much of it. You've got a bunch of people over and everybody's on their devices. That takes up a lot of bandwidth. I need something that'll actually give me wireless network for my whole house that actually works. And I don't have to put in a bunch of different network names, different passwords. I just want it to all work. I just want it to connect. I can always go to the internet with a fast connection. So, I've got this box here. It's called Multy X. Is this gonna make me happy or is it gonna make me angry? Let's find out. Let's take a look at this Multy X box and see what we've got here. It's the Multi Home Wi-Fi system. What you can see is we've got two devices in here, two boxes. On the back we've got a picture of a house. It's showing Wi-Fi coverage for up to 5,000 square feet. And it's talking about effortless installation. We'll hopefully make this very easy. We'll see. Yes, get the full internet speed you deserve. Yes, I deserve it. This is an AC 3000 tri-band Wi-Fi system. A lot more than some of the wireless devices I've had over the years. Why does it say tri-band? We can find out. What's backhaul mean? That should be talking about the connection between these two devices. 9 antennas? You don't even see any antennas in the picture. I hope it's not one of those things where you have to attach them and then it ends up looking ugly. Okay, let's see what you get. Let's get started. We've got the box open. Here's the device. Nice housing. Funky X shape. Connections on the back. Quick start guide. Warranty card. Should be legal information. Cable. Power adapter. So, I guess this will be the main one. This will be a second one. Okay, well, first thing we can do is connect it. So, does this do what it says it does? Yeah, so far it seemed to pass the test, but we're gonna come back again and we're gonna see what else we can find out about this thing. Because who knows, there might be something we can dig out. So, if you have any questions or comments, just leave a comment below this video. And if you liked this video, you can click the like button, but you don't have to. Okay, till next time, bye.